Morning, guys. It is September 15th, 2021. I got a call from a guy. He said he's having a problem with a water hammer coming from the dishwasher and the washing machine. So they make little air chambers that you could put on them devices to stop that. So I got some in the truck. I'm going to go over there and put them on. Basically, water hammer is what it is. There's a solenoid valve that shuts off quickly and it makes a noise. It gives off like a water hammer noise. So I can put those devices on there. That should take care of the issue. They're code now to put them on like the new houses and stuff. I do have some. A lot of the old houses don't have it. It's only if you got really high water pressure you have a problem with that. So, like I said, I got one for the dishwasher and a set for the washing machine. I'm gonna go by there and we'll put them on. I'll show you what they look like when I get there. Get the valve off. It's gonna go in there like that. That's what it's gonna be. See, I don't know if it's gonna hit. The handle might hit. I'm not even sure yet. I'll go sideways with it. If I put it up straight, it's going to hit. We'll find out. This is cheaper than putting a pressure reducing valve on the whole house. There we go. That should take care of the issue. Watch your head.
I've lived here over 20 years, and every time they come back here, it bumps my head.
No, there's none. There's none on there. There's none on there. But you know, I mean, this is the way to go first. Let's try this.
Yeah, it's a cheaper way. And if
so it's just doing it with the washing machine and the dishwasher.
Yeah.
Nothing else gives you a problem. I think you might need batteries in this thing here.
Yeah.
Did you take the batteries out?
I've changed them.
I mean, you can't have it without batteries.
No, this battery. What's that?
Well, it must be completely dead. You got to put new batteries in there.
I just changed them in the spring.
Did you?
Yeah.
Well, I tried testing it. I mean, you got to have that working, right?
Oh yeah.
Oh, there it goes. Alright, so I guess it does work. I'm just checking because I don't want to see anybody die here.
I was going to do them in October or November when we came.
Yeah, if you ever go away, I would definitely shut these off.
Yep.
Tighten the packing. Yeah, they're relatively new.
Yeah, I know. I did change them not that long ago. But yeah, I'll get, next time I'll get those other ones.
Yeah, the no burst.
Yeah. Gotta spend a little more money and be safe. So.
Yeah, I would.
Yeah.
See how they move, but it's not making no noise? Watch.
Yep.
Well, I think that's gonna do it.